This is Nicholas. I'm welcoming you to this YouTube channel. In this channel, we are going to learn about various aspects of health and wellness. And since this is an introduction presentation, I'm going to extrapolate and examine the concept of health and wellness. What is health and what is wellness? What are the similarities between health and wellness? What are the differences between health and wellness? Okay, so the World Health Organization define health as complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being. Complete, okay? When you are doing fine socially, physically, and mentally without any disease, okay? Then you are health according to World Health Organization. So there is three aspects. There is three aspects uh, you need to understand so that you get the definition of health. Social, social is how you interact with people. Positive interactions, okay. Uh, Maybe support from family, just being around people, and it is something which works with other people. That's something social. A sense of belonging. You belong to a particular community. You belong to a particular family. That's an idea of what social is. If you are doing well socially, then it's part of health. Mentally, support, maybe you have in support presence of mental challenges or absence of mental challenges. Are you psychologically stable? Do you have mental issues, psychiatric issues? So that's a mental perspective, okay? If you are doing well mentally, then that contributes to health. Physical health, this is now a bit more extensive. Physical now, it's about whether you have a disease, okay? You have a disease, you do not have any disease. Are you doing physical exercise? Are you abusing drugs? What is your nutritional practices, dietary practices? Those ones, all of them are categorized under physical health. Weight, obesity, all of them are categorized under what we call physical health. So physical, mental, and social are key items which are used to define the idea of health according to World Health Organization. So the World Health Organization, again, as we summarize the definition, define health as a complete state of physical, mental, and social well-being. Okay, let's now see the variation or similarities between the definition of health based on World Health Organization and the definition of wellness, or what we can understand as wellness. Okay. So on the other hand, wellness is more extensive one. It's a plan, it is a philosophy, uh, it is a program, okay? It is that ability to adapt to situations, to overcome life challenges, to make uh, to make life decisions, to learn about many healthcare issues, economic issues, psychological issues, that desire to learn and adapt, okay? In general, wellness ensures that you optimize your own potential, okay? Potential now is, what is your potential? Maybe you want to die when you are 80 years. You want to grow professionally and be a billionaire. So that's what we call potential. Your potential. It is individual. Okay. So you can see it is about optimization of your abilities, your potential. It's also uh, involves you adapting to various life challenges here and there, adapting to health challenges, life threats here and there. So, as you can see, uh, wellness is quite extensive. It involves a lot of things. Okay, so these many items which are found in wellness, we can say components of wellness. Okay, so many people have come with various components of wellness uh, that you can use to gauge your state of well-being so that you can measure how you are progressing. Okay, so there are 8 major components of wellness. Number one, there is what we call physical wellness. Number two, emotional wellness. Number three, social wellness. Number four, intellectual wellness. Number five, environmental wellness. Number six, spiritual wellness. Number seven, vocational or occupational wellness. And number eight, financial wellness. So those 8 items are the ones which you can look and see how it correlates in your life. Okay, your physical wellness. You talk about your nutrition. Talk about your weight issues. Are you abusing drugs? Okay. What is your physical health? Do you have any disease? So those ones are what we call physical component of wellness. Physical component. When you go to emotional, it is about your feelings. It's about your thoughts, and it is about your behaviors. How do you react to situations? Okay. Do you have hunger issues? Okay. Are you getting hungry so fast? So those things can influence your progress in life. So it's a way in which you can look at your wellness even from emotional perspective. You need emotional intelligence. You need to control your emotions. So it is individual practice. So that's something you look under the concept of wellness. Social interaction with friends, uh, living in a community, okay, getting that sense of belongingness. People would like to belong to particular group, particular social groups, okay. Other people are they are not quite talkative, they don't interact with others, okay. So we vary. There is somebody who is we can say is doing well, or you feel good when you are interacting with other people. There is somebody who loves lonely life, staying alone. So if you find staying alone does not impact you negatively, then it means also you are doing socially well. Okay, it is only when there is negative interaction that is when we say you are doing badly. Okay, even if you don't have friends, you are lonely, but you don't feel that loneliness. Okay, you are doing well, you feel good, you are healthy, still it's fine. So intellectual, now it is about our knowledge and skills. You need to daily grow your knowledge, you grow your skills, you grow your cognitive skills. Maybe in jobs, to pursue particular jobs, or to grow in your profession, or to gain more skills to improve your ability in delivering particular products. That's also part of wellness, if you are not aware of. Reading, looking at watching various podcasts, that's part of wellness. It is part of intellectual wellness. Environmental, now it is about environment you live. Is there toxic chemicals emanating from chimneys? Okay, what kind of security is there? So those are things which influence your wellness. So environmental wellness is also a perspective which you can look into. You optimize your environment to ensure that it promotes your potential. Okay. Uh, the next one is what we call spiritual. Spiritual is religious matters. How does religion help you to exist in this world? Does it provide you with hope? Okay. Religion plays a very role for many people, although we people have diverse opinions regarding religion, but it plays a very big role. It provides people with hope, so that they see tomorrow can be a better day. Tomorrow can come with opportunity. So religion also can potentiate somebody's life. It can help somebody to cope with life challenges and believe that tomorrow will be a better day. So that's from religious perspective. So there is a lot of things you can talk about religion, etc. Uh, occupation or vocation. That's what you are doing. You are engaging in farming. You are doing particular job. How does that job promote your well-being? Okay. How do you balance your work and private life? Work vis-a-vis private life. That's also a nature of what we call occupational or vocational wellness. Lastly, there is what we call financial wellness. So this one is about money, how you are doing financially, how you are doing economically. It's also part of wellness. And financial experts will provide you with how you can really cope with financial challenges. So we say financial wellness is something which you can not underrate. It's very important. It determines even your health. So you will realize the 8 elements we have discussed briefly are highly interrelated. Okay, they are highly interrelated. For example, financial wellness can determine your physical health. Okay, you can be able to pay for a gym, to buy healthy food using what? Using finance. You can be able to visit hospitals to do checkup, or when you are sick, you visit a healthcare facility or a doctor, and you will be able to pay the fee, or you are able to pay medical insurance so that it covers you when you are sick. So financial wellness is also something which you can see now that it influence what uh, your physical health. Okay, you can manage physical health using financial health. Even issues like spiritual, again, it assists in terms of physical health. For example, there are some religions which uh, discourages or limits activities related to sexual activity based on moral grounds. So in such communities, you will find that if people adhere to stringent religious guidelines on sexual activity, you will realize that sexually transmitted diseases like HIV in such communities will be low. So indirectly, it can influence even in physical health. Okay, so wellness and health are highly interrelated. So if you pursue wellness at the same time, it seems you are pursuing health. So they support each other. They play. They are combined. Okay, they are together. So they support each other. So it promotes overall well-being. It promotes your ability to exploit your own potential to cope with challenges. So, in summary, health is about social, mental, and physical well being. But wellness, it is your conscious desire to learn about things, to cope with environmental challenges, to adapt, to overcome challenges, and to be resilient. Okay. So maybe something we can note in terms of health. Somebody might be having a particular disease. Okay, let's say, for example, uh, hypertension. So that is the state of health. That person is hypertensive. But if this person now learns about hypertension, how to manage hypertension, and he or she is controlling well the hypertension, that person now is doing what we call wellness, okay? So he has or she has a conscious effort to learn and cope and adapt to this disease, to optimize his potential in life so that he remains in existence, so that he doesn't die. So that is the aspect now of, you can see that is practicing what we call wellness. So up to this point, we have come close to the session. I request you to hit the subscription button, so the next time I upload a new video, you will get to know what we are learning there, and we shall continue in this journey as we exploit our whole potential and overcome some challenges here and there. Thank you very much.